Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something we use every day but rarely think about. It is emails. Ever wondered what actually happens when you hit that send button on an email? It might seem like magic, but behind the scenes there's a whole system at work. Your email doesn't just teleport from your inbox to your friend's inbox. It follows a set of rules called protocols. Three main protocols we will be talking about today are SMTP, IMAP and POP3. These are like the postal workers of the internet. Over 300 billion emails are sent every single day. That's more than 3.5 million emails per second. Now that you know about emails, let's take a step back and understand what exactly is an email. Email are short form for electronic mail. It is a way to send and receive messages digitally across the globe. Unlike traditional mail, have you wondered how emails actually move from one place to another? They rely on special sets of rules called protocols. Imagine writing a letter, putting it in an envelope, and mailing it. It could take days or even weeks to arrive, but with email, it takes just few seconds. That's the power of digital communication. To send or receive an email, you need an email client like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo Mail. These platforms act like a bridge, connecting you to email servers which handle your messages. The first ever email was sent in 1970 by Ray Tomlinson using APRANET, which was the early version of the internet. Let's talk about how email actually works. First, when you write an email, you use an email client. This could be Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo Mail or any other platform. You type your message add an attachment if needed and hit send. Now your email doesn't go directly to the receiver. It first travels through multiple servers before reaching its destination. Think of these servers as digital post offices, making sure your email is properly routed. The whole process happens thanks to three different protocols: SMTP, which is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, then we have IMAP, which is Internet Message Access Protocol, then we have POP3, which is Post Office Protocol 3. Email was actually invented before the internet. In the early 1970s, researchers were already exchanging messages over ARPANET. Let's talk about SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and it's the system that makes sure your email actually leaves your device and gets delivered to the right server. Think of SMTP like a digital postman. When you hit send, SMTP picks your email, checks the recipient's address, and hands it over the next server that will deliver it on the right inbox. Now for the delivery to happen, SMTP uses a special pathway called ports. The most common ones are port 25. These are standard SMTP port but often blocked by ISPs to prevent spam. Then we have port 465. It is secured encrypted connection by using SSL. Then we have port 587. This is modern standard for secure email transmission. SMTP only handles outgoing emails. Once your emails reach the recipient's mail server, other protocols like IMAP or POP3 take over to the delivery. Without SMTP, your email would have never leave your device. These are the steps in the SMTP. When you hit send, the email goes to the SMTP server. The SMTP server checks the recipient's domain, whether it is correct or not. Then the email is forwarded to the recipient's email server. SMTP only sends, it doesn't store emails. Now I'll talk about POP3. POP3 or Post Office Protocol 3 is a protocol used to retrieve emails from a mail server and store them on your device. But here's the catch that POP3 downloads your emails and then delete them from the server. So once they are on your device, they are gone from the cloud. This makes POP3 great for offline access, but once your emails are downloaded, you don't need an internet connection to read them. But it's not ideal if you check email on multiple devices. Since email are removed from the server, you won't see them on other devices. Like SMTP, POP3 also uses special pathways called ports. Port 110 is standard and it is not secure. Then we have port 995, which is secure encrypted port for safer email retrieval. POP3 is just like a vacuum cleaner. It sucks up all your emails from the server and stores them locally, but once they are gone, they are gone. This is how POP3 works. When an email arrives at the mail server, your email client connects to the server. Emails are downloaded to your device. After that, the emails are deleted from the server. If your device crashes, POP3 emails are gone forever. Now I'll talk about IMAP or Internet Message Access Protocol. It is designed to retrieve emails while keeping them stored on the server. This means you can access your emails from any device, anytime, anywhere. Unlike POP3, which downloads and deletes email, IMAP syncs your inbox across all devices. So if you read an email on your phone, it's marked as read on your laptop too. Like other email protocols, IMAP also uses special ports like port 143, which is default IMAP port, which is not secured. Then we have port 993, which is secure and encrypted by SSL. IMAP is way more flexible than POP3 because it doesn't remove emails from the server. This means you can switch devices and still find all your emails exactly where you left them. IMAP is just like a cloud storage system. Your emails are always there, ready to be accessed from anywhere in the world. This is how IMAP works. Emails are stored on the server. Then the email client syncs with the server. When you read, organize, and delete emails from any device, changes are updated across all devices. IMAP is the region you can check the same email on your phone and laptop. Emails are great until they don't work. We have all been there. An email won't send message, go missing, or your inbox turns into a spam jungle. We'll talk about some of these issues today. First off, emails are not sending. If your messages are stuck in the outbox, the culprit is usually SMTP setting. Double check your SMTP server port and authentication setting in your email client. For more secure email providers, use port 465 or 587 with encrypted enable. Next, sometimes our emails go missing. Where did my emails go? If some messages are disappearing, POP3 might be the reason. Remember, POP3 downloads email and deletes them from the server. So if you check your email on one device, they might not be available on another. If you want to keep emails on multiple devices, switch to IMAP instead. So there are syncing issues. And finally, there is spam overload. Nothing worse, it is nothing worse than waking up to hundreds of junk email. So we can fight with that by enabling spam filters. We can block unwanted senders and always report phishing email to keep our inbox clean. Gmail blocks our 100 millions of phishing emails daily. So that's all about today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Thank you everyone.